Hello, everyone. Welcome. This is Jermaine Higgins with Hire GI. Point of this video is I wanted to show you guys about our amazing job board and how it's a great benefit for you as an employer. It's also a great way for you to search and find some great candidates, a way for you to use our job board and really get some great talent applying for your jobs. This video will allow you to kind of get a peek under the tent so that you know the value of our job board for you to maximize, okay? On our job board to get here is if you go to hiregi.com, there will be a menu, and you'll see post a job. Once you click on that, it will bring you to the job board platform, and this will be the home page of the job board. As you can see, it will have different tabs: post a job, you can read about the blogs, video references, contact us, about, and then this will bring you back to hiregi.com. And then you have the job seeker registration as well as the employer registration. But what's important is blogs and video references is really for the job seeker, not for the employer. Post a job is really where a lot of the interaction that you'll need will take place. But let me give you a tour of the homepage. You'll see when you scroll down featured employers. These featured employers are employers that have invested to be at this section that will rotate so that your higher probability of being noticed by the job seekers. If you click on any of these, this will take you to their page that they've created and the jobs that they have individually. Okay, so it's a great benefit to have. And then you'll see other jobs. Notice here there's urgent. So these are employers that have said that their positions are urgent, and that will make sense a little later. You'll also see that these companies did not post their logo, which we'll talk about. We really want you to have your logo to have more of a robust, pleasing job posting to have a higher success. Below here is other veteran-friendly jobs. Our platform is in collaboration with 200 other veteran sites. So here are jobs that are posted on some other military sites to add more opportunities to the veterans that come to our site, okay? So you're an employer, you're excited, you wanna hire some veterans, and so you're like, let's post a job. So you would go right here at the top where you see my hand, and this is where you would invest in the site, okay? You'll see that there's the basic job posting, and then there's a premium. Let me explain the two. What I do want you to understand when you look at our product section, pricing may change depending on when you see this, and the type of product may change. So this is just going to give you an example of how to navigate. It may not be exactly the same when you watch this video. But a basic job posting means that it will be on HireGI's job board only. Okay, it will not be aggregated to other sites. So it would only be on HireGI only, and it will allow you to create your employer profile. Premium means that you will be on other veteran sites. We estimate about 200. So it won't just be on our sites. You'll have the ability to actually be on other military sites, which will give you obviously a higher probability of being noticed. We do have a 15-day recruiter pass that will allow you to search our database for candidates. And then we have 5 job boards premium, of course, 10 job boards premium. And then our newest product that is very exciting, if you are a mid-sized large company and you want constant presence on our website, you can do the 6 months unlimited, and we will actually scrape your job board off your website, and it will post on our site automatically. And this could be a really cool platform to get our candidates throughout the country. And obviously, it comes with a lot of great benefits. You get 30 days featured jobs. You'll be build your profile. We will also, on this package, give you the green zone training. Ask your sales rep about that. But it could be something really cool for one of your HR persons that don't know military. So we'll have that in there, as well as make you a featured employer, which you'll understand later. And then we have the 1 year scraping, which that the amount of money that you may spend on other job boards, you can basically have it scraped on our job and really dominate the website each and every day with your jobs. Okay, great platform. But let's just say you decided to do the basic. You would just say post jobs, and then it's going to have you fill out your information of the job, company name, URL. Again, logo is important. And then how to apply, it would be either your email going directly to you, or you would have them apply to a URL. So maybe going back to your website, for example. You may have some additional information, all right? And then below, depending on the package you pick, may have some upgrades that may help you enhance your job posting. So maybe you want the urgent on your jobs. Maybe you want to be your job to be featured, which would be labeled as a hot job. And then if you want it to be a featured employer, which was the scrolling logos you saw at the top of the job board, this would allow you to have that component as well as an add-on. So really cool capabilities from that perspective. All right. Now, once you've hit preview job, that will allow you to create the username and password, and it will actually create a user account. So next would be basically creating the user account for you to get on. So that's all part of when you pay for a posting, okay? Or if you decide to create a profile, then you can also go and purchase a job posting with your username, if that makes sense. So let's say, for example, all of that's there, you're logged in, right? What's going to happen is once you logged in, it's going to bring you to the database, or the dashboard, excuse me. And the dashboard is where you're going to be able to navigate whatever you need to do, okay? Here in this area, your active products will tell you what you have invested in. So if you bought 10 job postings, it's going to tell you, here's your 10 job postings. And then it will also count down every time you post one. So you'll know how many you have available. All right. If you have the 15-day job search, 30-day job search, yearly job search, that would have that product there. Okay. As you post more jobs, you will see what jobs you posted when it expired. It will allow you to copy that job posting if you wanted to post it again. And then you'll see like what's still alive, how many people applied, okay? So it's a pretty good summary page for you. All right. And then you have manage profile, which then allows you to basically update that information you did before, like your description, all the fun stuff, your YouTube, image background in the back, all of that fun stuff, which I think is very important. And you can also hit view your public profile. So this is what they will see when they click on your company page, and they'll be able to see the job openings that you have available. Okay. So pretty cool from that perspective. Going back to the dashboard, searching for candidates, right? When you invest in that platform, you would get to this page, and this page here is going to show you all the candidates that are on, that have created profiles, all right? You can go and search over here. You can also search up here, city and state that you may be interested in searching in, all right? But let's find someone cool that maybe has a full profile. Let's look at Paul. So Paul is in the Washington area, bilingual. He gave a background about himself, right? In the Air Force, he's an E1 to E5, and you can kind of see, excuse me, what they do now. He's in the reserves, kind of a rundown of his background, all right here. Has an education, all the certifications. So what Paul decided to put, all right? Cool part about Paul is I can contact Paul and I can put a message to Paul directly right there from you as the employer. You can also download Paul's resume, right? There you go. And then you'll have his contact information or whatever he chooses to have on his contact information. If Paul had a LinkedIn account, it would go there to Paul's account. Boom. And you can connect with Paul there. And maybe even see, does it match? Right? You get a better understanding of Paul. So really fun, cool capabilities with that. Okay. And so we really encourage you to take advantage of our job board, really ask to be on our job fairs, to really consider our job postings and search our database, because it could really, really be a great asset to recruit some of our veterans in our database. This platform will grow as we expect to grow more events next year. We also will have a resume database, hopefully coming in the next few months, as well as other ways to search this database. But as of now, I hope this is very helpful, and we really appreciate your business, and thank you so much.